Hi Hoopers, Tanooki Turtles here. Today's Tiny 2 will be on the double hoop extension. This is what that looks like. Your only prerequisite is a single hoop extension, which looks like this. You can go in either direction as I'm demonstrating here, and I do recommend to practice both directions in both hands. I want you to focus on 4 main points: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice that when the hoops are up and down, they are separated or apart. On the sides of your body, they are together or overlapping. The positions I reviewed before are arbitrarily numbered, but let's start in 1 and 3. Move in the direction of your thumb and meet at number 2. Continue your extension to meet at 1 and 3, opposite of how you started. Continue your extension to meet at number 4. And lastly, here you are, back to starting position. And that's all there is to it. If you'd like a more in-depth breakdown with slow motion, variations such as this one with a turn, or this nice little spinny move here, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching. Happy hooping. See you guys next time.